It was slightly hysterical this morning. We were up so late. I was up till 2, Philip was up till 5, finishing editing Philip's NICU story. So if you haven't seen that video, go back a couple videos and see his story of how the doctor said he's gonna die and what his kind of whole story was behind that. But this morning, I got the girls up, I dragged my feet to the couch and gave the girls a banana. Banana for breakfast are awesome when you are tired. I love you. Oh, in a couple hours, I'm gonna regret not getting going this morning. I keep asking Kinsley if I can eat her. Sometimes she's okay with it.
I said stop it.
And then she says stop it. But I want to keep eating you.
No. No.
Oh, she's so yummy.
Good job. What's that?
Bubble.
Good job. What's that?
Chair.
Good job. And I'm gonna add a decimal soon.
I don't want to get off.
And
Did you poopies?
yeah.
Yeah, come on. What's going on in there?
No, what do you say?
I don't know. Whoa. All done. Go play. You want one too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Help. Go over there and I'll see you.
Look over here and watch you.
Go far.
Far away. Okay. Like that? And spin. Good job. You girls are so cute. My heart is full.
Now you spin.
Me spin?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I need to spin. Mom, I can't see anything.
Okay, we can do this today. I promise if you just get ready, the house will miraculously be clean. Again? 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
I'm okay. My turn. My turn. Yeah.
Who wants to pick up my clothes?
Two.
Okay, you pick up my clothes.
Two.
Okay, go pick up my shoes.
I want you to take this.
Which one?
You're coming. You're gonna wear
Can we not
this one.
Can we not do long sleeve? Let's do something that's up here. Here, stand on this.
Okay. I want you to wear this one.
Which one?
This one.
That one?
Mhm.
Okay. I can do that.
I can't.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a pretty good outfit. Okay, do you want to do my makeup?
Yeah.
Okay. This is about to happen. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of scared. I am going to let the girls do my makeup and we're going to put it on my channel. If you guys don't know about it, it is Alex Conjolier. We will have it in the description and on our main page of our YouTube. It's under like our featured channels. You can go find it there. But the next video is going to be the girls doing my makeup. So by the time this vlog is up, that should be up the same day. Let's do this and let's see how this goes. Girls, come here. Make some cat eyes that go all the way over my face, all the way onto my chin.
Like black? You like black?
I might like black. I don't know, do I? Oh, not on my knee. Oh, makeup goes on my face.
Oh, you this one.
Thank you. Can you do more?
Thank you. You this one.
Yeah, where does that one go? Dang it. I fell asleep. I took a nap while the girls were napping. But at least I have to know that when they're older, I won't be able to do that. So I have to live it up a little bit. But the girls are having a snack.
I'm having blueberries and chips.
And chips and salsa. Except for Callie is just sucking the salsa. Bite the chip, not just suck the salsa. Bite. Arr. Does that make you sad? Show me how you bite it. Good bite. See, that's how we eat the chips and salsa and not just drink salsa.
Good job, guys, for staying here. Salad. No, broccoli.
It looks like broccoli, but it's white, so it's called cauliflower.
It's pretend broccoli.
It's a pretend broccoli. Okay, that sounds good. We'll have that for dinner. I feel like this, but my answer is Philip is visiting with our friends, and I said, come over, bring your 5 kids, and we are going to eat together. So this is going to look worse, and I can't imagine it would look worse. I'm just gonna do a 360 so you can have an idea of exactly what my house looks like. There's not a clean surface anywhere. Nope. Are you driving into your sister? Back up. Thank you. And guys, we are still on fire. Like, we thought the wind changed directions for the last couple of days.
Mom, is dinner ready?
And then, no, dinner's not ready. Because Mommy is a hot mess. The winds changed today or this morning. And, okay, I'm gonna show you what looks like a cloud. Okay, if you look, let's see. If you look that way, it's sky. All of this is not cloud. That's smoke. It's like rushing back this way. Daddy's gonna show you what it looks like closer to the fires. Do you wanna see? Do you guys wanna see? Roll it.
But we're watching all the helicopters go across. You guys just watch this. They're gonna go across us. They're gonna go down to the reservoir, which is like way over there. And they're going to suck up with a huge straw into the helicopter, according to Nicole. That's correct, right? That's what she thinks. And they suck up hundreds and hundreds, maybe 1,000 gallons or so. And then they go and they dump it on the fire. But guys, this fire does not look good. Duck, Nicole. Duck.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, duck. Yeah, just get your Mary Poppins thing right there. Do your Mary Poppins thing. Yeah, there you go. There's just spot fires everywhere around here right now, and it is not awesome. The good thing is it's along the ridge. We're gonna keep it there. That's what we're gonna pray for, because if it goes either east or west over that ridge, we're into this community or another community. So we're just gonna pray that that's not that.
We're gonna do one quick pickup so that at least the pile of laundry is not just on the floor. Okay, we'll just at least put it in the washing machine. It's been sitting here for like a week. 2?
Yeah.
Close it for me. Push. Push. Push hard. You wanna get your shoes?
Yeah.
Okay, we can walk to the garage together.
Where are you?
Where are you?
Help me.
Help you?
Shoes.
I'll help you. Shoes. Help me. Shoes.
Yeah.
I think it's a really good thing that my dream and my goal is to have a house that's like model home status where everything's in its place. Because if that wasn't my goal and my strive, and I was like, I'm okay with a messy house, my house would look like a bomb. It is so messy today. But what's crazy is how fast it can change. It can look like this, and you throw toys in bins, and all of a sudden, you can see your floors again. Okay, Callie, where are your shoes? Okay, sit down. We're just gonna walk to the garage, but I figured I would take you on a field trip, and your field trip today is, drum roll please,
No.
to the garage.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.
Bye.
No, I'm coming with you, silly goose.
Daddy.
Daddy,
Up.
you want up?
Mommy.
Coming. Oh, more more stuff to deal with. Are you a strong man? Lift up really high over your head. See, that's the photo I wanted at Kinsley's birthday.
Swimsuit.
Swimsuits?
Yeah. Come on. Go.
I got the black screws. Now we need the power drill.
Helicopter.
That is the helicopter.
It's going by. Is that L? Yes.
Good girl. Okay, what letter next?
J. Is that J?
Good girl, that is a J.
I did it.
You did
Let
it.
me try K.
Okay, I'm so proud of you.
Is that K?
Good job.
Yes. There you go.
Cooking is in full-fledged motion.
Is this rice going?
Disaster. Kids are in full-fledged playing. Where is everybody? Hi.
Hi.
Outside?
Yeah.
Ayla's outside. Hey. It's so funny.
Friends, as we're cooking and wreaking havoc and trying to clean up and take care of 7 kids, how many are here? 6?
We only have 6.
You and I till the end. Don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together. Everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye. We'll stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown.
Okay, we are going to end the night. Nicole is going to do me a favor and help me just start to try to pull some stuff out of the closet. I am horrible. She is amazing, but she said she started off not being good at doing this, so terrible.
I'm working at it still.
Yeah, but her closet's amazing. So we're just gonna look through, and even if we can get rid of like 3 pieces, but that's a trash bag, so, okay. Anyways, love you guys.
You can do
I can do it. I can do it. With your help, I can do all things. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video. Go live your love, multiply. Bye.